Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best candle wax is probably one of the most underrated home essentials, capable of transforming any space into a sanctuary of scent and ambience. But with so many options, from soy to beeswax, and a dizzying array of fragrances, choosing the right candle wax can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into the world of candle wax to help you find the perfect one. Number 5. Hearts and Crafts Soy Candle Wax Kit. This soy wax melts evenly, perfect for crafting long-lasting candles. It provides a clean finish and strong scent throw. You'll love the results. The kit includes 10 pounds of soy wax, 100 wicks, and 2 centering devices. It has everything you need for easy DIY projects. It's all there for you. Melt the wax at 120 degrees Fahrenheit and add fragrances at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed for effortless pouring and even setting. This makes elite quality candles. Create custom candles for relaxation or home decor. This kit works well with various containers and molds. Enjoy making your own candles. This kit is beginner-friendly and great for experienced crafters. It's ideal for making jar candles and decorative wax creations. Get creative with it. What we like. This kit provides a smooth, even burn, ensuring your candles have a clean finish and strong scent throw. It includes everything you need for easy DIY projects. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that simplifies the candle making process, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Natural soy wax is an excellent choice for candle making. It is derived from soybean oil, making it a renewable and environmentally friendly option. Soy wax candles tend to have a slower burn rate compared to other types of wax, which means you can enjoy your candle for a longer period of time. Another advantage of soy wax is its ability to hold fragrance. Soy wax has a great scent throw, meaning it can disperse fragrance oils effectively and fill your space with a delightful aroma. Number 4. American Soy Organics Freedom Soy Wax Beads. Looking for the best candle making supplies? These natural soy wax beads are perfect for creating beautiful soy candles. They are safe and ethically produced, making them a great choice for your next project. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll love how easy it is to use these wax beads. Simply heat them up, add your favorite fragrance and color, and pour into molds. It's that simple. Get creative with your candles. These soy wax beads can be colored into any hue you desire. They also have a high fragrance load, ensuring your candles smell amazing for a long time. Achieve smooth tops and consistent scent with every candle you make. These premium soy wax beads mix well with scents, dyes, and wicks, making them ideal for scented soy candles and wax melts. Made from American-grown soybeans, this wax is paraffin-free and beeswax-free. It's sustainable, ethically produced, and has a low melting point, making it safe to handle and burn. What we like. These natural soy wax beads are easy to use, just heat, stir, and pour. They are also safe and eco-friendly, made from sustainably sourced soybeans. If you like a hassle-free candle-making experience with a focus on natural ingredients, you should consider this. What people say. The wax burns clean, giving candles a steady flame without the smoky drama. Easy to use, unscented so you can customize your candles based on your scent preference. The design of the wax beads are tiny and melt fast and easily. Number 3. Hearth and Harbor Soy Candle Making Kit. This is the Hearth and Harbor Candle Making Kit. It's perfect for anyone looking to get into candle making. It includes everything you need to get started. The kit comes with 5 pounds of soy wax flakes, wicks, stickers, and holders. It's designed for both beginners and experienced DIYers. You'll have everything you need to create beautiful candles. The wax melts quickly and smoothly. Simply heat it up, add your favorite fragrance and color, and pour it into your container. It's that easy to use. This wax holds scent beautifully for long-lasting aroma. You can add candle-safe dyes for bold, even colors. It allows you to customize your candles. This soy wax is free from paraffin, additives, and animal products. It's non-toxic and sustainably sourced. It's safe and easy to work with. This kit is a perfect gift for any occasion. Whether you're gifting the kit or the finished candles, it's a thoughtful and creative present. Make it personal and make it smell amazing. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to start making candles, making it perfect for beginners. It holds scent beautifully for long-lasting aroma. If you are looking for a thoughtful gift or a fun activity, it's a great choice. What people say. Melts nice and smooth and mixes well with the fragrance oils. Melts and pours easily. The fragrance throw on this wax is also wonderful. Easy to melt, easy to work with. Number 2. Hearth and Harbor Soy Candle Making Kit. This all-in-one starter kit has everything you need to start making candles. It includes 8 pounds of soy wax, wicks, stickers, and holders. It's perfect for beginners and experienced DIYers. The wax flakes melt quickly and smoothly. Simply heat them up, add your favorite fragrance and color, and pour into your container. It's that easy. This wax holds scent beautifully for a long-lasting aroma. You can add candle-safe dyes for bold, even colors. The candles will smell amazing. This soy wax is free from paraffin, additives, and animal products. It's non-toxic and sustainably sourced. It's safe and easy to work with. This kit is a perfect gift for holidays, birthdays, or housewarmings. You can make it personal and make it smell amazing. It's a great way to get creative. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to start making candles, making it perfect for beginners. It holds scent beautifully for long-lasting aroma. If you are looking for a thoughtful gift or a fun activity, it's a great choice. What people say. It melts nice and smooth and mixes well with the fragrance oils. It melts and pours easily. The fragrance throw on this wax is also wonderful. Easy to melt, easy to work with. Number 1. Oraganix 10-pound soy wax candle making kit. This complete kit includes everything you need to start making your own candles. It comes with soy wax, wicks, and centering devices. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. The soy wax melts smoothly and burns evenly. You can add dyes and scents to customize your candles. This ensures a long-lasting and beautiful burn. The kit is designed to be simple and user-friendly. Just melt the wax, mix in your desired ingredients, and pour. It's a great way to create personalized candles. You can use this kit to make various types of candles. It's compatible with most containers, allowing you to create jar candles, tea lights, or wax melts. It's perfect for creative indoor activities. With 10 pounds of wax, you have plenty to create multiple candles. It's ideal for making custom gifts or adding unique decor to your home. It provides ample supplies for many projects. What we like. This kit includes a generous supply of wax, wicks, and centering devices. It's designed to deliver an even burn for custom candles. If you are looking to create multiple candles for gifts or home decor, this kit offers ample supplies for your projects. What people say. Using clean, unscented, creamy white soy wax is such a joy to use. The wax comes as 2-to-1 unscented flakes which are easy to use, quick to melt. The wicks stay lit and burn clean. The wax melts slowly and evenly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.